Good afternoon, esteemed colleagues. We, Group 3, Accounting Theory, are grateful for the opportunity to present our topic about the relevance of financial information. My name is Azin Citrafadia, and I am joined by my esteemed colleagues Francisca Diviana, Grace Anastasia Sipayu, Jenny Setiawati, Rahmawati Alianingsih, and Saina Sabita Dewantara. We value your time and expertise, and we eagerly anticipate your feedback and engagement. For the first topic will be explained by my colleagues.
All right, I will explain about definition and factors. The value relevance of accounting information is essential for making well-informed financial decisions, including those involving investments, credit evaluations, and the creation of regulatory policies. It gives stakeholders a precise picture of a company's worth so they may make educated decisions. Its importance is influenced by a number of factors, including business governance, ownership structure, tax avoidance strategies, profitability, and international financial reporting standards. Higher profits signifies strong financial health, and IFRS guarantees uniformity and comparability across international markets. Tax avoidance strategies make financial statements more relevant by necessitating a closer examination. Efficient ownership and corporate governance increase the veracity and accuracy of financial reporting. However, other procedures such as asset revaluation and financial conservatism might make accounting information less meaningful. These factors shape the extent to which accounting information serves as a reliable tool for assessing a company's value and guiding financial decisions. For the next, I will leave it to my colleague.
Okay, so the next one, I'm going to explain about the role of financial indicators in investment. So in the context of investment, financial metrics has three indicators. The first one is earning per share, atau EPS. Earning per share is a key performance indicator that shows the portion of company profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stocks. It is calculated by dividing the net income of the company by the number of outstanding shares. EPS is direct reflection of company profitability and is widely used metric by investors to gauge the company financial performance. The second one is book value per share or BPS. Now, book value per share represents company book value on per share basis. It is calculated by dividing the company total equity by the number of outstanding shares. BVPS provides a measure of the net asset value of a company in relation to its shares. Number three is operating cash flow, or CFO. Operating cash flow measures in the cash generated by a company normal business operation. It indicates whether a company can generate sufficient positive cash flow to maintain and grow its operation, which is vital for its long-term sustainability. These three indicators are crucial indicators used by investors to evaluate a company's financial health and future potential. These three metrics provided insight into a company's profitability, net worth, and cash-generating abilities, which are essential for making informed investment decisions. Both EPS and BVPS have a positive and significant relationship with stock prices. High EPS often leads to higher stock prices because it indicates profitability and the potential for future growth. Similarly, BVPS is used to gauge in the intrinsic value of a company, and high BVPS relative to the stock price can attract investors looking undervalued stocks. So the next material will be explained.
Next, about the role of intellectual capital and digitalization. Intellectual capital and digitalization are increasingly recognized as important factors in improving the relevance of accounting information. Companies that invest in intellectual capital as well as digitalization process tend to have higher stock values. This shows that the market values innovation and good knowledge management. By investing in intellectual capital, companies can develop knowledge, skill, and competencies that support their competitiveness. On the other hand, the process of digitalization allows companies to optimize operation and improve efficiently, resulting in more relevant and timely accounting information. Nevertheless, human capital, although considered important, does not always show significant influence in some studies. This indicates that there is a need for a more integrated approach in assessing the contribution of human capital to firm value. An effective combination of intellectual capital, digitalization, and human capital is believed to have a greater impact on improving overall firm value. Therefore, a holistic and comprehensive management strategy is needed to maximize the potential of all three elements. Next.
Okay, for the next topic is about reliability of accounting information and the impact of earnings manipulation practice in an international context. So, in the international context, research shows that while EPS and BVPS remain important, their relevance can be affected by earnings manipulation practice, such as real earnings management or REM. which can undermine investor confidence. Therefore, the reliability of accounting information is also an important consideration, especially when considering estimates made by management or external valuers. In this text, one such manipulation practice highlighted is real earnings management. The consequence of earnings manipulation, especially in an international setting, can be far-reaching. Investors rely on financial information to make informed decisions about where to allocate their capital. If they perceive that financial statements are manipulated or unreliable, they may hesitate to invest or demand a higher risk premium, leading to inefficient capital allocation and reduced market liquidity. Next.
All right. As I have talked about earning manipulation. So additionally, widespread earning manipulation can erode the credibility of financial reporting standards and the regulatory bodies tasked with overseeing them. So this is a problem in global markets where companies operate across jurisdiction with varying accounting principles and legal enforcement mechanism. Inconsistent regulatory oversight can create opportunities for opportunistic behavior and exacerbate financial reporting discrepancies. So ensuring the reliability of accounting information is a must, and companies must implement strong internal controls and transparent reporting practices to mitigate the risk of revenue manipulation. Additionally, investors and stakeholders should perform due diligence in examining financial statement and evaluating the credibility of management estimates and disclosures. So the role of external auditors and valuation experts become important in this area, in validating the accuracy and reliability of financial information, especially in complex international transaction or cross-border investment. By providing independent assurance and impartial assessment, professional auditor and appraisers contribute to increasing transparency and investor confidence in financial market. Although EPS and BVPS remain important performance metrics, their relevance in assessing a company's financial health can be compromised by earning manipulation practices. So therefore, ensuring the reliability of accounting information through careful monitoring, transparent reporting, and independent validation is critical to maintaining investor confidence and driving efficient capital markets globally. And next will be explained by Rahma.
So the conclusion from the master is from the analysis of the articles above, it can be concluded that the relevance of the value of information accounting is a crucial aspect that influence investment decision, credit assessment, and regulatory decisions. The value relevance of accounting information is determined by its ability to explain the company's value and helps users make financial decisions such as IFRS decision, profitability, tax avoidance, finance maintenance, and ownership structures generally increase value relevance, while asset regulation and financial conservatism can reduce value relevance. In an investment space, information such as earnings per share atau EPS, book value per stock, BVPS, and operating cash flow atau CFO play an important as and BVPS respectively consistently found to have a positive and significant relationship to stock price. Therefore, investor confidence in company's profit, profiles, and net worth improvement. However, in some cases, such as in the banking sector, the condition of standard real accounting facts such as Prastakra 71 has not shown a significant improvement on relevance value, perhaps due to lack of widespread implementation or incomplete adoption. Intellectual capital and digitalization are also increasingly recognized as important factors in increase the relevance of accounting information. Companies that invest in capital intellectual and digitalization process depend to have a higher share value, show that the market values innovation and good knowledge management. However, human capital is not important, does not always show significant influence in several studies, indicating the need for more integrated approach to accept the contribution of human researchers to company value. In international context, research show that corporate activities and BVPS remains important. This relevance can be affected by earnings manipulation practice, such as real earnings management atau REM, which can damage investor confidence. But therefore, the reliability of accounting information is also a significant consideration, especially when considering estimates made by management or external investors. Now, overall, the value relevance of accounting information doesn't depend on traditional financial figures, but also on how the information is disclosed and contextualized in comprehensive financial costs. Education investor and improving the quality of financial reporting that includes information on financial capital, such as intellectual capital and digitalization, the value of accounting information, helping investors make better decisions and increase market stability and confidence. So, Azim?
Okay, so that's all the material we can convey. Hopefully, it will be useful for everyone. Thank you for your attention and consideration.